Nellions.
Welcome to Moving Day with Nellions, where every move tells a story. Our journey begins early in the morning. After a quick walkthrough, we start packing your memories with care and precision. Our expert team carefully wraps each item, ensuring your cherished belongings are safeguarded for the journey ahead. Using state-of-the-art materials for this purpose, our skilled team ensures that each item, from the delicate to the substantial, is securely packed. Every box, every piece of furniture is treated with respect, as if it were our own. We understand that we are not just moving things, we're moving lives. As we load each item, our expertise shines. The truck becomes a puzzle perfectly pieced together, ensuring safe transport to your new beginning. The journey to your new home is more than a drive. It's a transition to a new chapter. Arriving at your new residence, we bring your belongings into your new world. Each item, each box finds its place in your new space. Piece by piece, room by room, we transform this space into your new haven. Our job isn't complete until your new house feels like home. From setting up furniture to hanging your cherished photos and artwork, we set up everything just the way you want it. At Nellions, every move is a journey of transition and hope. Today, another home is set and another story begins. Nellions Moving and Relocations. Shift in style.
Move with Nellions.